considering that you bought it, you should do better next time with your choices.
You do realize I'm angry at you, right?
Yeah, I do. And as a very rational man, I am going to ignore you until you're calm and you can talk about it.
Do you know why I'm angry at you?
I don't care. You know why? Because you have a very unique ability to be mad at everything and anything.
Well, I checked your phone while you were in the bathroom. Guess what I found out?
What did I tell you about looking into my phone, Trisha?
Who is Bisola? And why did you send her the exact 300,000 naira I borrowed you barely 2 days ago?
Is it your business who I send money to now? Is it?
Who is Bisola? Mark.
You know I don't even owe you an Fine. Bisola is a business partner.
What kind of business is that? What kind of business do you do with her, Mark? Tell me!
You know this nonsense you're about to start. I don't have the energy for it. I don't want the neighbors to hear our voice this morning.
Oh, please, they can go ahead and hear our voice. It's not going to be the first time, would it? Hey! Just tell me who she is.
Get out of my way, or else.
Or else what? What are you going to do? Beat me? Go ahead! Beat me, Mark! Go ahead and beat me! You don't want to beat me? Then I'll do it myself. Oh, better still, flog me! Here.
What is wrong with you?
You don't want to flog me? I'll do it myself. Leave me alone!
Stop acting like a child! Stop acting like a child!
Tell me who Bisola is!
I already told you who she is. She is my business partner.
Why are you doing this to me? Mark, what you're doing to me is not fair. Is it because you know that I love you?
This has nothing to do with love. You are trying to control me and you know it. So because I cheated on you one time, and at that time we were not even serious, we weren't even in a serious relationship. So every time I speak to a woman, talk to a woman, even as much as say hi or hello to a woman, it is considered that I am cheating.
Did you say one time? Let me joggle your memory. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten that we started dating because you were cheating on my friend Esther with me?
So it's not about me. It's about you. It's about your insecurities and the guilty conscience that you snatched your friend's boyfriend. Is that it?
It's about you, Mark. You know why? Because you're a cheat. That's all you do, you cheat. I'm only a fool for thinking you're going to be different with me.
Well, congratulations. You figured me out. Now do with that information what you will. Yeah, hello. Hi, Bisola. I'll be with you shortly. I'm just held up at home. I'll pick you up.
You what? Is that Bisola? Hey! If I catch you, you vomit more than that 300,000 naira he sent to you. You thief! If I see her anywhere around this house, I'll break her legs! You may stay away from my man, you slut!
You're not smart. There's something called the mute button. Don't worry about it. It's one of my angry neighbors. She's always shouting at her kids and all that. I'll call you back.
Angry neighbor? You're insane, Mark! You see, you go to that your meeting to Bisola and you come back and meet this angry neighbor. You see, me, angry neighbor? Oh my God, I've seen it all,
Shut
Mark!
up. If I may ask, that is your plan? To lock me out of the house?
What are you going to do about it?
Are you forgetting that I have my own key?
Well, let's see who comes back home from work early enough to lock the door from outside. Hey!
Give me that.
Let go!
Give it to me.
No.
Give it to me.
I said no!
Give it to me.
Make me!
I said...
Leave me alone! Let go of me! What are you doing? Let me go! Hey, stop that. This is harassment.
Is it?
Yes.
You know you should have just said this is what you wanted rather than picking up a fight and all that.
What do you think you're doing? Mark! Stop it! What are you doing? You want to lock me in here?
But you were the one who was trying to lock me outside the house.
I have to get to work.
Tell them you are sick.
Listen, if I lose my job because of this nonsense, I promise you there won't be any more free money for you to borrow.
Can you hear the nonsense spewing out of your lips? Also, you give Mark free money now. I don't blame you. This is the same exact reason why your father left your mother.
Are you mad? How dare you!
What did you just do?
Hey! Mark! Open this door! Open this door! Mark! You bastard! Bastard! Ah!
Oh, sometimes I get a feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never. Oh, no, I get a feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a feeling. Are you still mad at me? Anyway, I got you flowers.
Hey God.
Finally, she smiles.
You have suffered. Thank you so much, sir, for this single miserable rose that I deserve instead of a full bouquet. So this is what I get after locking me in for 10 hours. Let's see. Is this even a rose? It's even plastic.
Well, at least I get an E for effort. I was the one who was slapped. I was the one who got yelled at, and somehow, from the goodness of my heart, I got you a flower.
Have you forgotten the things you said to me?
What exactly did I say that warrants you hitting me or talking to me the way you did? I would remind you of this someday. Anyway, what's for dinner? I'm hungry.
No, you said I did not feed you.
You know what? It don't even matter. You pack my flower.
You mean your plastic?
I'll give it to someone who deserves it.
Yeah, give it to Bisola. Have you collected my 300,000 naira from her?
Aye.
That's your feeding money for the rest of the year. Nonsense. Babe. Mark.
Yeah, what is... What?
Mark.
Oh God, what is it?
I'm sorry.
What exactly are you sorry about?
Everything.
It means you're not sorry.
Babe, I said I'm sorry. Baby.
Oh God. Look, I'm trying to just get a good sleep tonight, okay? You got so much time.
Baby, please don't stop. What? But I just said I'm sorry. Where are you going?
Where I can sleep. Just let me get my phone.
Baby. I'm sorry, but the both of you are not okay.
Look, I am trying to do better, but he's not helping. If it was before, I swear by now, one of us will be in the hospital and we both know who that person is. Definitely not me. Is it because I decided to calm down and see? He know me now. You know me, my head they hot. Is that why he wants to be treating me like trash?
Babe, calm down. Eh? Let the man breathe. You can't just be accusing him of something all the time.
Let him breathe. Am I suffocating him? Did you not hear what I told you? He sent another woman the money that he borrowed from me, and I'm supposed to let it slide?
What if you now find out that she really is someone he paid to do a job for? How will that make you feel?
Well, I will apologize.
Wait, so you have not apologized since that day?
I did, but he refused it.
How did you apologize? By waiting for him to go to bed before going to apologize to him?
Yes.
And how did he react? How did he react? He said you were disturbing his sleep, right? Good.
Why are you laughing?
Baby, if not you, will you accept such apology?
Did you not hear what I said? The things he told me, what he did, and how he even apologized. He came back with one dead-looking single rose and then took it back because I refused to accept his apology. Who does that?
So now, it's 1-1. Draw, right? Hey, good. Trisha. When will the both of you stop doing all these things?
When he decides to change.
Is he around? Hi, Mark.
Hi, I thought I heard your voice.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I am fine. How are you too?
I'm good.
I didn't know you were going out.
Anyway, it's nice to have you around, but I have to attend to business.
No problem.
All right then.
Mark, where are you going? Mark? She, you're saying it back.
Just calm down.
You're saying it back. I should let you breathe.
Calm down, okay? Mark, can I talk to you for a bit? Please.
All right then, I'm listening.
What's going on between you and my friend?
That's what you want to talk about. What exactly did she tell you was going on?
Forget about what she told me. You tell me what happened.
I don't mean to talk down on your friend, all right? But your friend feels like the only way to be in a relationship is to control her partner, and I will not have it. If this were to be medieval times, she will bend down on her knees, serve me food, and call me Lord. Now, it's either she's going to treat me with respect the way she's supposed to, or she can cancel this nonsense of a relationship.
Mark, but she has apologized now.
What exactly do you call an apology? By rubbing her body all over my body, you call that an apology?
Okay, fine, Mark, if that is it, let me apologize on her behalf.
Hey,
Mark, please.
Mark, Nancy!
Let me...
Get up.
No, let me just kneel.
Nancy, get up. Don't, please. Please don't insult me like that again.
No, I'm only just trying to beg. See, my friend,
I wonder why I'm even talking to you. All of you are the same. Excuse me.
All of us are the same. How?
Easy. Oh, God.
The room is the other one.
No, it's here.
It is?
Hold on. To the bed. Come on.
Trisha, you know I love you, right? And I keep coming back because I love you. And you don't appreciate.
Oh, thank God.
You don't appreciate me. You don't appreciate me. Hey. Let me drop you off at work.
Don't worry. The staff boss will pick me up.
Can't I do something nice for my girlfriend anymore?
It's fine. Just rest, okay?
All right.
I'm leaving now.
Oh. Wait. Here.
What is that?
I mean, you can go through my chats with Bisola.
I don't want to go through your chat with Bisola. I know you don't have anything to do with her, and I'm sorry for accusing you.
Oh, babe. I just want to establish trust between us. I want our relationship to work. So if it'll ease your mind, you can go through the phone.
I don't want that. And I trust you, babe. And I'm sorry for the way I acted. I'm not going to do that again.
All right, then.
All right. Have a great day, okay? Rest.
All right.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
So, everything is good now, right?
I wish. I think he's embarrassed with what happened.
Really?
He actually gave me his phone to go through his chat to see that Bisola is not what I thought she was.
Yeah, I'll tell you for a fact that's a big lie. He gave me his phone because he knew he didn't find anything. Yeah, and so now, what he's gonna do now is actually gonna focus on the actual girls in States.
Uche, how long have you been standing there?
Since the time you said for a meeting.
Oh, that's true. Babe, I promise this won't take time.
Okay, no problem.
So the show here?
No, I don't. I'm a friend.
Nancy, please can you wait at the lobby? Once we're done, I'll call you. Please.
Now what for these tech people? Know that me too, I don't have my own work where we discuss confidential things too.
Thank you. I love you too.
You know she didn't have to leave, you know. It's not like there's anything reasonable happening in this company.
Mr. Uche, there's been a complaint about you from the product manager. Care to explain?
Okay, so that's why I'm here, so you tell me.
Listen, mister. I can understand that you're a brilliant senior engineer in this company.
Thank you.
But no one seems to enjoy working with you.
So are you repeating what my idiot, stupid PM told you, or you're actually the one going around asking people in this company? Because as far as I know, everybody likes me in this company except for maybe you and Shay. So I don't know.
You do realize that I can actually report you to Mr. Femi, right? And you know what would happen when I do.
And do you know that as the only Oz and Azuri's cloud engineer in this company, you know, I could just quit my job right now and put this company in months.
Are you threatening the company?
Oh, come on. Why would I do that? I'm not threatening anybody. I'm just saying that, you know, just saying what will happen in case I stop work at any point in time. You know, let's take for instance, I'm gonna call in sick tomorrow.
Hey!
Okay.
Do you actually enjoy working here?
For free? No, but good thing you guys still pay me, so, you know, I'm gonna stick around.
Listen, Mr. Uche, there's really no need for your attitude.
Okay. No. Mr. Uche, okay. Anyway, enough with the whole Mr. thing. And please, can you just tell Shay to please discuss with his client's team first before giving clients unrealistic timelines, because I have a lot on my table as it is. Okay?
I don't appreciate you being combative.
I'm not being combative, I'm just standing up for myself. If you're done the same for your relationship, maybe you will be with someone that keep deceiving you with cheap tricks. You know?
Okay, that's it. Please leave my office.
Okay. But so about PM, so we don't know.
You and Shay will get an email from the HR. For now, please kindly remove yourself from my office, respectively.
Okay. Just to be clear. Okay, just to be clear, hope I didn't say anything to upset you.
Not exactly. This meeting is just over. Now leave. Now, please, sir.
Okay.
You can do that outside, please.
Okay, I'll just, you know, it's my glasses. So I'm just saying.
Hey. Out.
Okay.
Out, please.
I think she will just work on your attitude.
Just.
You know, all right. You go.
Easy with the door.
All right. I'll be seeing you around. So.
No, you won't.
Okay. Bye.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Mark, why are you laughing?
I was just checking out a stupid prank online.
You were typing.
Because I'm trying to comment on the video.
Let me see that.
Give me back my phone. I said, let me have...
Hi, hush. Sorry. I was just playing with you anyway.
You were playing with me. Why does it have to come at the expense of my happiness?
I said sorry. Did you hear that part?
I thought you said it was a joke. Why are you apologizing?
I'm sorry.
Keep your sorry to yourself.
Really? Or can I see the prank video though? Do you think I'm overdoing it?
Why would you collect his phone like that?
But he was the one who gave it to me to check.
That was in the morning. You had already said you believed him and you didn't want to check his phone, and you came back from work and suddenly you want to start checking his phone? I'm sure he thinks I'm the one that gave you that kind of advice. Who even told you to do such a thing?
Uche, the guy you saw in my office the last time you were here, he told me Mark was only playing a trick and he's trying to distract me from the actual girls he's sleeping with.
And you believed him?
Why not? He's a guy, so he knows better.
So what's happening now? What's going on between the both of you?
Nothing. Oh. We're just practically roommates now.
And have you done anything about it?
Yes, I tried. But each time I try, it's either he's tired or he's not in the mood or he has to wake up early for a business appointment. Why are you laughing?
I'm sorry. It's just that I have never heard a guy says he's not in the mood. Emeka had fever and he still wanted to do it.
Oh, it must be nice. Well, that's Mark for you.
Trisha, you know what you need to do? You need to stop being all nice and stop all this beggy stuff with him. When you start treating him the way he treats you, by ignoring him, trust me, he will come running back to you. Baby girl, you have to show your power in this relationship. Abi, are you the only one in the relationship? Are you the only one in love?
Yeah. You mean you didn't know I've been standing here for the past 2 minutes?
Mr. Uchi, please, you have to actually announce your presence. This is getting really annoying.
And you need to take these discussions to the cafeteria or outside of work hours.
Why are you here?
Good question. Why am I here? Okay, so you changed my hybrid remote work schedule to fully office-based. So I want to know why.
Well, information got to my desk that you are moonlighting for other organizations using our company hour. Why?
The company or you?
Well, am I wrong?
Okay, let's get this clear. See, what I do in my own time, in my house, is my business. As long as your company's work gets done. Okay, so am I going to be showing up at the company, at the office till this project is done, or what? Or is Shay going to be doing the same thing?
Shay is going to be here as often as he should be. What's funny, sir?
Trisha, do you know what my job is in this company?
Oh my God, please, let's not do this.
Now, have you asked? Because, okay, let me ask you. Do you think this project is behind because of me? Have you asked Shay how many times he has forced an entire user interface redesign just because he doesn't like the color of the icon pack? Or the fact that he just wakes up from one morning and starts asking anyone for updates on features he never told anyone about?
Mr. Uche, I can assure you we have raised these issues with Shay already and the company is streamlining things from his end.
No, you haven't, because if you have, I won't be here complaining about the same thing.
You know, you complain a lot. If you're tired of working here, you can just quit.
Wow.
Thank you.
Such a good friend. But have you tried advising her to do the same thing about marriage, right? Also, relationship, have you?
You know, you're very rude.
Wow. You're welcome, which is why I don't like you. Anyway, back to the reason why I'm here. I'm done working for the rest of the week, so you can do whatever you like, okay?
Yeah, you know what, you can actually take the rest of the year off, but do not complain when you show on your pay slip.
You would like to try me, Sha?
You can leave now. Thank you.
I'll be expecting my paycheck. Anyway.
And just leave. Thank you.
Such a good friend.
Well, bye.
Okay, so
Next time, please announce your presence. This is getting really creepy, sir.
alright,
And shut the door. Thank you.
Is he always so annoying?
So he's always like this, oh my sister.
Is he even good at his job with all this shakara that he's doing?
I mean, I guess so. The thing is, the junior developers are copying from him. And I have raised this issue to Mr. Femi. But every time I talk about it, he'll be like, Trisha, handle it gently.
Do you know what you are going to do?
I cannot do anything. No. He is friends with Mr. Femi. And the thing is, Mr. Femi doesn't even want to do anything about it. Instead, he hides behind me and issues out instructions to him.
Babe, you see the way you handled that guy just now? That is how you are going to do to Mark.
But it's not the same. I'm in love with Mark, and then this guy is just a nuisance.
Babe, you don't understand. All men are like that. Even my husband, Emeka. Whether you like them or not, all they want to do is have things their way. Babe, you are his girlfriend and not his doormat.
Well, that is only going to make us fight. Me, I don't want it. As much as we're not talking right now, I'm enjoying the peace. I prefer it this way than always fighting all the time. Please, ignore him. Ignore Uchi. Babe.
Yeah.
Do you remember Shola, my friend from uni? The one I introduced to you a while ago?
Yeah.
Okay, she came by the office and said that her wedding is next weekend.
That's good.
Okay, the wedding is in Abuja and I would like for us to go. To be a perfect time.
No. My answer is no.
I don't understand. It would be a perfect time for us to actually have a getaway. I feel like it's something we can do together.
You know, I actually have an idea of something that we can do together.
Something like what?
Like, stop acting like you don't want it. When was the last time we had sex?
What's the meaning of this? I mean, we're in the middle of a serious conversation and this is what you want to do. I don't get it. So you feel like you can just say, oh, I want to have sex and I'll just open my legs and oblige?
Of course. You would open your legs. As a matter of fact, these legs, and you would oblige. You know why? Because you are my girlfriend.
Oh,
yes.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So all the time I wanted to do it and you said no. Were you not my boyfriend?
Oh, I see. So that's what this is. Revenge. Right?
It's not revenge or anything.
And it's what?
At least put me in the mood.
I am in the mood. It means you get to be in the mood.
Prince Charming, it doesn't work that way. You know what? If you're this desperate, I know what can help you. Ta-da! Go and help yourself.
What is this?
Some hand job. Go there and help yourself. Not here.
Are you okay? Or do you think I am one of those your boyfriends that you can jubilate?
Stop!
You
Stop!
don't want to hit me again?
Sorry!
You don't want to fight?
No, I'm sorry. Okay, please just stop, okay? Please, I'm sorry.
Now, are you going to open these legs of yours and oblige? And give me what I want? Get out of my sight.
Where have you been? Where have you been? I've been waiting for you since like 11 o'clock.
I'm so sorry. I went to the clinic for some checkup.
Wait, are you pregnant?
No.
So? Jesus Christ!
Put your voice down.
What happened to your face?
It's not that serious. I banged it on the bathroom door.
You mean Mark banged your face against the wall in the bedroom?
I just told you I did this to myself. He has nothing to do with it.
You guys were having an argument, yes or no? Just...
I'll just...
thought you said he didn't hit you. Why are you not acting like you're scared of him showing up? There is no one else in this house. So please, sit down. Why are you looking scared? I have to go now, okay?
Are you not staying with me?
Stay how? Trisha, what will my husband say now? Eh? Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? Come. Take care there. Lock the doors, oh. Bye. Bye.
Mark? Mr. Uche, please, I don't have time for your complaints today, please.
Oh, I didn't come here for that. I just, can I see? Oh. Okay. How are you?
Fine.
For real, like, seriously.
If I remember correctly, someone said I should stop discussing issues like this during work hour.
Yeah, but technically it's lunch break time, so yeah. I just wanted to check on you to know how you're doing. I mean, we may not get along at work, but outside of work, it's not like we're enemies, right? So.
Right. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Just
Are you sure you don't have anything to complain about?
Nothing. If I'm tired of working here, I will just take my leave. Or maybe take some of the junior engineers with me and start up my own company. Yeah, but maybe one more HR person will just
hold that thought. You and I, the same workplace again? Nah. Nah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry.
So have you heard anything from him since then? I mean, it's more than a week.
Well, he started calling me yesterday, but to be honest, I'm not ready to talk to him. He's even the one calling now.
So now he wants to apologize after beating you?
Nancy, I told you he didn't beat me.
So what are you going to do now? I mean, you are going to have to tell him something. Either you tell him you have broken up with him or you forgive him. And please, tell him that you have broken up with him.
I cannot just break up with him just because he hates me.
Why?
Are you going to leave your husband simply because he hates you?
My husband will never beat me. He will not even try it.
Must be nice. But imagine the period that you slapped your husband. How would you have felt if he decided to leave you? Wouldn't you think he was overreacting?
Yes, but that's different, you know. I hit him a little bit, but not like I left my fingerprints on his face. I mean, he knows it was out of frustration. I mean, my case is just different from your own. You can't even compare. And why are you bringing my case into this matter? Why are you bringing it? My home is blessed and in a happy home, okay?
Okay, that's fine. Easy for you to say because you're not the one who is getting slapped.
See what you just said now.
What is it? Hey, I'm not a maker. I will beat you. I'll slap you back. I'm not a maker. Please sit down. Oh, you want to beat me too? I have an abusive boyfriend and an abusive best friend. I just came to this life to be slapped. Go ahead. Give me another black eye.
It's only my body you have mouth. Ah, face mark now.
It's only in Emeka's body you have mouth. Want to give me? What are you doing here?
Trisha, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what exactly?
For everything. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Trisha, I just want to talk.
Just get out! I don't want to talk to you.
Trisha.
Get out! Out!
Trisha.
Just get out!
Please, Trisha.
What is this?
Trisha.
Oh my God! Get out!
Trisha, please. Okay, stop shouting. The neighbors will hear.
I don't care. Let them hear it. Just get out.
Trisha, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, but I know what I did was wrong.
You knew exactly what you were doing. You knew what you were doing was bad, but you went ahead and you did it anyway. Now I don't care. Just leave.
Trisha, that is why I'm here. Okay, I want to make up for all of the wrong things that I've done. I want to right my wrongs, please.
Please just leave me alone.
I can't leave you alone. Babe, I don't want to lose you. I can't lose you. I will make up for everything that I've done wrong. I promise you that.
So how do you intend to do that?
Okay, can I start from this? Please. I'm sorry. My baby, I'm sorry. Okay.
Good morning. Are you busy? I can just come back later.
Oh no, it's fine.
Okay.
This one, you're being nice to me. Am I safe?
Well, I've been working on where to channel my anger to, and I've come to realize that it shouldn't be towards you. Yeah.
Wow. So people can change?
Not really, but people can pretend.
So what seems to be the problem now?
It's nothing. I thought about it. I just felt it's not worth it. Yeah.
Are you sure you don't have anything to complain about what she did or did not do?
It's like a bad marriage, you know. You can't keep complaining about something, and the minute you have the chance to leave, you just end up staying.
Maybe complaining is what makes the person to change.
How many times have I complained about Shay's incompetence? What has changed?
Okay, but have you tried to have a conversation with him about it?
Well, it's not like it's going to change anything. And at most, he's going to feel threatened that I can do both his job and mine. So, let's go.
Right, I hear you.
I just came to check on you to see how you're doing. And from the look of things, you seem to be doing pretty well.
Thank you.
Is it from him? I mean, your boyfriend. Your friend, Nancy. It's been a while since her around.
Mr. Uchi, believe it or not, Nancy actually has a job she goes to. Yeah.
Okay. I'll just
Babe,
Yeah?
I've been meaning to give you something, but I keep forgetting what it is.
What's that?
I think I remember now. Hold on.
Okay. What's that? Sorry. Why are you sending me money?
Well, that's the money I took from you the other day.
Okay, but what you took was 300k.
Yeah. This is the money I took the day before that.
Okay, thank you.
You don't look happy.
It's not that, it's just that I was not really thinking about it.
I told you I was going to make it up to you. Anyway, possible.
Your phone.
Yeah, my phone.
Why? You should pick it. It could be business.
No, I can attend to it later. I have other things to do right now.
I think it's like what?
I don't think that. Come on. Oh, you're getting some weight.
Can't you knock?
I did. Your ear is not just working. Can you just...
Shishabek, I'll see you some other time, eh?
Alright, sorry about that.
That's fine.
I'll call you. Really?
Oh.
Her ear is not working. Her ear is not working.
Oh yeah, I did knock, but
Why are you
anyway, okay. I just came to tell you that I'll be leaving the company.
Oh, so you found a better job?
No, not really. I just need a break, so I need some time to rest up. So yeah.
Oh wow, must be nice. You know, I would like to be like you when I grow. Just wake up one day and say, I don't want to work anymore and not worry about money or other things.
You don't want to stop you?
Yeah, I don't have any rich husband to fall back to, do I?
I don't either. But you have a boyfriend.
Well, about that, I am the one supporting Mark for now.
All right.
But
What redeeming qualities do you even see in this guy? Does the guy even have? What does he have?
don't say that. You don't know Mark.
I agree. I don't know him, but I've heard of him, and most of what I've heard, it's not nice.
Well, no one is perfect. I'm not perfect either.
Nobody's saying you're perfect. It's just the bare minimums, like respect.
Who said he doesn't respect me? If you were him, would you treat me any differently?
Look, Trisha, I don't know you. But I won't go as far as laying my hands on you, even though I know you're the one that pushed me to it. The worst I'll do is just leave the room.
Right. Thank you for that unsolicited advice.
Okay, ma.
Good luck with your resting. Rich kid.
Thank you. Is Hey.
People don't.
Oh no. You know you can still stay on my body and do this thing.
Can I?
By the way, who are you talking to? Is it Nancy?
Nancy is not my only friend. Don't worry, you don't know
Him? So you're talking to a guy now?
him. Are you jealous?
No, I'm not jealous. But he better be able to throw hands.
So, are you willing to fight someone for me?
I am willing to kill someone for you. Also, he's a comedian now. He's making you laugh.
Well, yes.
You know I can make you laugh as well.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh.
Are you laughing now?
Fine.
Fine, what? You're gonna drop? Oh, you dropped it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you happy now?
Oh, yeah, I'm happy now.
So both of you are okay now, right?
Yes.
That's good. At least I don't have to be playing counselor for you every week.
Okay, counselor. Thank you so much for your support. I wouldn't have been here without you. Ta-da!
I don't blame you now. And this kind of nonsense you dey like.
What do you mean?
You like dating men that have weary in them, small weary you. Men with something toxic in them.
So, are you better than me now?
Of course you know. Well,
Hi.
Hi. I see you've got company. I'll just come back.
No, it's not a problem. Just,
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna leave you guys.
no. Fine. Better.
what was that?
Oh, what was what?
Why were you guys smiling at each other?
Were we smiling?
Of course.
Oh, I didn't even notice. Well, now that he's leaving the company, he's becoming easier to deal with.
I think he's better than Mark, you know.
Hey, please leave Mark alone. He has changed, okay?
How? Because he's being nice now? And what happened when he goes back to his former behavior? When he stopped getting what he wants from you?
What do you mean?
Of course you know what I mean. You see, if there's anything I know, it's men like Mark.
What do you know about Mark?
You see, after everything I've gone through in the hands of men like Mark, you see, that's why I ended up with Emeka.
Okay, but I'm not interested in your kind of relationship with Emeka.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
I'm just saying that I dominate in a way that you're thinking.
How?
I mean, I have spent time with you and Emeka, and I see the way you treat him. That's not cute at all.
I don't understand. Did he complain to you? You that treats Mark like a king. How has that gotten you?
See, I didn't mean just had everything, okay?
Trisha, I'm your friend doesn't mean I will take nonsense from you about me or my home. Okay? All you ever do is try to steal people's men, bribe them to be faithful to you with your money. And how does it end you? Eh, babe? It leaves you with a black eye, doesn't want to leave you at all, and keep milking you dry. Enjoy your relationship, since it is more better than my marriage. Nonsense.
Babe,
Yeah.
you're home already?
Yes, I'm home.
Gosh, I'm so tired.
Man, do we have any food in this house? I haven't eaten all day.
But what do you mean you haven't eaten? There's food in the fridge. You should have just microwaved it.
But you know that I don't like microwave food. I prefer it fresh.
Of course, big baby. Let me just make you something to eat quickly, okay?
Okie dokie.
Wait, I'm coming. See, I'll just call her back.
The food is still not ready.
I just started cooking a few minutes ago.
And who told you to make complicated food? How many hours does it take to make noodles?
Noodles? Who said I'm making noodles? I'm making jollof rice. Please, it will be ready. Just wait, okay?
You know what? Never mind. I will order pizza, or better still, go get it by myself.
Baby, to be ready now.
You can eat when it's ready, I mean. I want something else now.
Hello, Nancy. Yes, I'm home. Yes. Oh, I've been looking for you.
Okay. What for?
Mr. Femi wanted to confirm if you have turned in your handover document.
But I'm still going to be working for the company till the next 3 weeks. Then, plus I've been contracted by the company to work as a freelancer. So is this really necessary?
Yes, Mr. Uche, it is necessary if you want to process your paycheck, except you want to leave it for the company.
But I'm still going to be working for the company even after I retire or resign. But can we not do this? No?
Why do men always act like children over the simplest things?
This isn't about me, is it? Is there trouble in paradise? Okay. Sorry. I'll do the handover stuff, like you said. You know, even though it's gonna be stressful and completely useless, but if that makes you happy, I'll do it. I'll just
This is crazy. Let me call it. It's late. It's 12:30 a.m. Maybe awake. But of course it's awake, but only peak. Let me see. Try. Look, Uche, you better delete that rubbish you posted before Mr. Femi sees it. Okay, maybe I should have been calling you Mr. Uche then. That makes Mr. Femi 34. Oh, wow, really? But he looks way older though. You're not well. How did you get to know about my birthday? So you just happen to remember my birthday. Who else do you remember their birthdays in the office? Really? You're the first to wish me happy. I'll call you back when I see you. Mark.
No.
What happened?
Oh man, no crap. I'm fine. I'm alright. I can move. I can move on my own. Stop looking at me like that. I'm not. Just let go of me. I can handle myself.
God, where did you go to?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Hello. Continue talking.
Do you need me to help?
I don't need your help.
This way.
I know the way. I know the way. I know the way.
Do you need me to do anything?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I'm fine.
So, yesterday, should I say earlier this month, you called me Nancy.
Slip of tongue. Sorry.
Right. Nancy, it's been a while. I've seen her around. When was the last time you spoke to her?
Nancy has a job, you know.
Yeah. Was your guy around when we were talking, Ella? I mean, is everything okay at home?
What is it? Why do you people keep treating me like I'm in an abusive relationship? Are you wanting to save me?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not. I just wanted to. I'm sorry if I made you feel anyway. It's just that.
I called you when I was home alone. Yes, I admit I was lonely and I needed to talk and I called. But Mark walked in and she was drunk. I had to end the call. I'm sorry that I called you, Nancy, before ending the call. Okay? Big deal.
What is really going on between you and this guy? Did he give you his kidney or something?
Oh my God. I'm sorry, okay? It will never happen again.
No, what should happen again is you being afraid of what your boyfriend will think when you're talking to your work colleague. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I came up a bit too strong. I just came to wish you a happy birthday and I started talking about something else. I'm sorry. I'll just stop. That's my office. Sorry.
Hey, easy.
Happy birthday to me.
I know. Just hold on.
Baby. Thank you.
You're
Wonderful.
okay, you sit down here.
You sit down.
Oh, what? Okay, well, I'm glad you enjoyed the You enjoyed the birthday.
I did. And there's one more birthday gift I want for you.
What is it?
I'll show you instead of telling you.
What are you talking about? Hey, easy. Hey.
You coming?
Hey. Where are we going?
Let's go.
Oh. Trisha, baby. Trisha. Are you awake?
I'm tired.
You're tired? Oh man. Come on, wake up now.
I'm tired.
So you want to sleep?
Mm-hmm.
Hey baby. You awake?
Why do I have a banging headache?
Have you forgotten what happened last night?
No. I mean, I didn't think I drank that much.
What? You were drinking alcohol like it was water. The last time I saw you drink like that was when?
When what?
Sorry, excuse me, let me get you something for the headache. Alright. Just stay put, okay? I'm coming.
Okay,
Baby girl!
can I call you back, please? Thank you.
Are we still fighting? Huh?
I don't know, are we?
You know, you should be the one apologizing to me, but because I'm a good person, I've already forgiven you.
Forgiving me. Yet you didn't post me on my birthday or even sent a text or even sent a gift. But yet you are forgiving me.
I hadn't forgiven you that time.
Oh yeah, here comes another person who didn't wish me happy birthday.
Whoa.
It's sad.
I was supposed to wish you a happy birthday, or do you want something else?
That depends. Do you have something for me?
Oh. What? How about we go out to work?
Sounds great.
Wait. What are you guys doing? Are you flirting? You're flirting! But you know, she has a boyfriend.
She's an adult, and since when has it become a taboo for colleagues to hang out after work, right?
And besides, were you the one yapping about how he's better than Mark? Why are you the one complaining now?
Yeah, I'll just go back to my post.
Alright, handsome.
Okay, just let me get to work. After work.
Easy.
Oh, no way to end Trisha!
What now?
You know what you're doing, Abby? Keep pretending.
I beg.
See her face.
This is important.
You're pretending, right?
Hello, Mr. Femi. So this is what you do in your free time? More work?
Yes, actually. Are you surprised?
Yes and no. Do you have anything we can drink?
Oh yeah, juice.
Something stronger.
Okay, I've got some wine inside, so let me just get that for you.
Okay,
I'll be right
thank
back.
you.
This is...
Why one wine glass?
Oh, wait, one, because
I've got work to do, please. But if you insist, I can.
No, it's okay. I don't want to interrupt your work.
Okay.
I hope you don't mind me finishing this whole bottle.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Trisha, are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. So where's your guest room?
Oh, it's just down the hallway, second door by the left. Yeah.
Okay. I'll just take the party to the room. I'll finish your work as well.
Sure, I will. I'll just wrap up with work now.
Okay.
Easy.
Thank you. Cheers.
Your phone.
Cheers.
Easy.
I thought you should go to the office.
Why were you not taking your calls all night?
I guess you're busy, so I'll just come back.
This is Mr. Uche. Uche and I worked all night yesterday. That's why.
So you guys spent the night in the office?
Of course not. We didn't. I got a hotel nearby.
I live close by, so I went to yesterday. I'll just go.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Uche.
It all still does not explain the fact that you were not taking your calls all night.
I was working.
The kind of work that will make you not take your partner's call. Right?
I'm sorry, babe. I should have taken your calls, but we're working and we really needed to meet up the deadline.
Then why did you not meet up with the deadline earlier?
Babe, it's fine. You just finished the work already.
But you're going to be home today.
Of course.
So where were you and Uche yesterday?
Who says I was with Uche?
Wait, then where did you go yesterday?
Of course I was with Uche.
Are you mad?
What? Chill. Nothing happened.
So you guys just walked all through yesterday?
Well, he did the working. I just drank wine and then went to bed.
Then why did you go to his house? Trisha, why do you like playing with fire? Eh? You this girl, why do you like playing with fire? At least you would have dumped one and focus on the other one. Before you see, baby, you better take it easy before you land yourself in trouble.
I beg. When the other one is cocoa, what do you expect? Chill. Okay? It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
It's not that. It's not that deep. Mark, baby, do you want something? I said, do you need anything?
Yeah, baby, I want you.
Oh, wow. I was only gone for a day and you missed me this much.
Isn't that what you wanted?
No.
Babe. 1, 2,
Typical.
3. 3.
No, it's okay.
Okay, what?
Thank you for yesterday, Mark.
Did you walk?
Did what work?
Nancy told me you were trying to make your boyfriend jealous.
She did?
Yeah.
Ignore her. She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Yeah. Nancy might not know what she was talking about, but yesterday I was there. You changed your mind and you decided to follow me wherever when you're supposed to go to your house because your boyfriend was there, driving your car.
Well, things are not as they seem. It's complicated, okay?
Right. I get it. You like him and I like you too. And you deserve better.
You're the better. What makes you think you will not hurt me when you get the chance to?
Getting beat up and coming to work with a black eye, it's not a normal thing for every woman to go through.
We had a fight, okay?
Right.
And I also contributed to it. It's not like it was one-sided. Besides, we're in a better place now.
Then you stop lying to yourself. Stop lying to yourself. Trisha.
Uche,
Yes.
why do you like me? Exactly. See, you don't like me. You just want to save me. Because in that twisted mind of yours, you believe that you are a superman who needs to save this woman in distress. You don't care about me. You never did. All this changed because I came to work one day with a black eye, and that's when you decided to go on this mission to save me. What happens when you cannot save me? What happens then?
You know what? Sorry. Okay. It's alright. I came up a bit too strong. I'll just go to my office.
Mark, can I ask you a question? Why do you like me?
Where's that coming from? Why are you asking me that now?
Nothing, I just want to know.
Okay, why do you think I chose you? Why do you think out of all the women in the world, you're the one I chose to be with?
I don't know, so I'm asking.
Well, I can't tell you, but I can show you.
At least be honest with me.
Okay, honestly, what if there's no reason? What if it's just the vibe? The vibe with you is just right. What if that's...
And you think the vibe is right?
Yeah?
I mean, but I've been sitting here with you and you're just there busy chatting with other people for an hour. Don't you think that's good?
So all of this antics and theatrics was just to... what? To accuse me, right? But then again, you know I like it better when you... What is wrong with you? Why are you running the mood? If you don't want to do anything tonight, just say it.
Oh, you wanted to do something? I didn't get the menu because you're on your phone, so... You can go ahead and help yourself. I won't stop you.
There won't be any need for this. Whether you're drunk or not, it's still the same thing. You just lay down there in bed, useless. Turn off the light when you're done. Yeah. Did you find her? What do you mean by you didn't find her? What are you... Guy, you're messing up, man. You know what? I'm coming to your end now.
Mark, what's going on?
You know what, Trisha? I do not have time for any of your nonsense today. You understand?
At least tell me what the problem is. I can help.
Do you have 500,000 naira?
500,000 naira. At least tell me what the problem is.
Are you giving me the money or not? The problem is very urgent.
No, I'm not.
I wonder why I even ask you for money that I can take by myself.
What's that supposed to mean?
Excuse me.
Mark, please, where are you going to?
How is that any of your business?
Listen, if you leave this house, start telling me where you're going to, at least what the problem is, then this relationship is over. Mark! Mark!
What? Why is smiling?
Should be asking you. Hey.
Hi. Good morning to you too.
Okay, hi. Good morning.
You seem to be in a good mood today.
Yes. Mark finally left her.
Nancy.
What? You should be happy she's now available, right?
Nancy! What is this?
Right, are you okay?
I guess I am. I don't know.
So, what are you doing after work today?
Not that she's doing anything, no. Nothing is waiting for her at home. Dirty water safe. They quench fire.
Can you stop? Uche, I'm so sorry for that. Don't take it serious.
It's fine, it's fine. I would have been surprised actually if she had managed to act like a civilized person. It's fine. I'll just that's one.
Nancy. What was that for? Seriously, you need to watch your behavior. That was not nice at all.
And what about your own behavior? 2 seconds of being single, you don't look for man.
Was it not you who said that he could be better than Mark?
It's just like you saying riding an Okada is way better than pushing a wheelbarrow. Right there. They are still bad. Anyway, if he asks you out, you better follow him or better go out. Go out with him.
I like the way you laugh at your silly jokes yourself.
You got that a silly joke?
I'm fine. Stop.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for driving me home.
No problem. You sure you're okay?
I'm fine. I'm happy. Just a little tipsy. Finally, that bastard is out of my life for good.
Oh, okay.
Now that I am home, I feel like drinking some more. Do you want to drink?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. But you should take it easy, okay? Because I mean, I'm sure you'll still have to go to work tomorrow.
I'll call in sick.
Right.
Right. Like that. Right. So, we're in my house.
I can see that.
And I'm a little drunk.
I think you should just stop drinking. Yeah. Maybe you should stop.
Can you take me to the bedroom?
Oh, bedroom. Yeah, sure. You said bedroom. Yeah. You said bedroom.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Oh, that's that one. The bedroom. That one.
Oh my God. Uche. What are you doing here?
I brought you home last night. You were drunk. Sorry.
Well, I have to go to work, so I...
Oh yes. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Uche?
Yes. Oh yeah.
About last night.
Oh yeah.
Did we?
Oh no. You were drunk last night. Yeah.
Of course.
Sorry, I'll just sorry.
Yes. Uche. Yes, I'll come over to your place. God. Please, just pick. Nancy. Oh my God.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Oh.
Do you think we should
What?
like go to the room?
Oh, I mean, we're good here. I mean, the show is still on, so we could just finish it, right?
Right, but we can still watch the show from the room, right? I mean, isn't your arm hurting you because I've been resting on your shoulder for so long?
It's fine. I'm fine. I'm good.
Oh my God. Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay.
What if I do this?
Oh. Okay.
And this?
Oh. Okay.
And this?
Oh. All right.
What is wrong with you, Trisha? Trisha, say something now.
Nancy, I'm pregnant.
I don't understand.
That's what the test result says.
I thought you are with Uche now.
Yes. The baby's for Mark. I know, right?
How? Why?
Just so foolish. We talked about having a child together, yes, I know. Then I stopped being on the pill. Then it was that period that I thought he was cheating, and I just felt like just.
Calm down, Trisha. Trisha, calm down and talk slowly to me, because I don't get everything. I don't even understand what you're saying.
Okay, remember that time I told you I thought he was cheating?
Okay.
So I stopped taking the pills because I really wanted to get pregnant for him so that at least he would start treating me better. I thought that having a child together would make him love me, make him stay and stop fooling around with those other girls. I was wrong.
Why would you do that?
I just told you.
Why?
I just told you why.
Okay, and?
God. I was with Uche yesterday.
With Uche? Like, you guys are together, proper.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. I didn't want to tell him because he would know that something is wrong and we're having such a good time. I don't want to ruin it. Now I have complicated everything. I don't know what to do.
Wait. So, you want to pin the child to Uche, right? Or perhaps you could also...
What are you saying?
I'm sorry, but that's how it looks now.
No.
Whatever you're going to do now, you have to do it fast.
God, I'm finished. How can I even look at Uche in the face? I don't even want to face him anymore. What do I do?
So what's not the alternative? To go back to Mark?
Trisha. Trisha. Can you please just open the door and talk to me? Look, Trish, I know you're in there. Okay, can you please just answer me? Each time I come to the office, you've been avoiding me. Trish, please. You don't pick my calls, you don't return my messages. Look, Trish, can you just tell me something? Let me know what I'm doing with my life. Please. Look, Trish, I wouldn't know what's going on if you don't tell me anything. Please, just talk to me. Trish, please.
Who's that? Who's knocking that? Ugh. Easy.
I'm home.
Mark, you're home? This is not your home. What are you doing here? Leave.
Hey.
Mark, leave here. I don't want you here. Leave. I'm talking to you.
Close the door.
What do you want?
It smells like men in here.
Are you insane? Leave. Now.
If I hear one more word, how do you mount?
What would you do? Beat me? Go ahead and beat me! Beat me! Beat me and your child, you monster!
Easy with the saliva.
Ew. Get out!
Well, now that I'm back, I'm aware you have a baby inside of your womb.
He's not yours.
And I am very, very, very aware that the child is mine.
It's not yours.
Or you want to say it belongs to Uche? And what kind of girl would that make you be?
Well, the kind who sleeps with evil, abusive, manipulative monsters like you.
So what were you trying to do? Huh? You were trying to keep my son away from my life. You wanted him to live his life without a father, is that it?
Leave now! I'm screaming for help! Get out of this place!
So what was your plan? To take my son away from me and make him grow up without his father? Is that the plan?
It's a girl.
That is the more reason why I need to be present in her life, so she doesn't end up like her useless mother.
Leave this minute or I swear to God, I will scream!
Shut up! Well, now that I'm aware that I have a son, or a daughter, or a child, it'll cost you a lot. Because you have to give me something very, very important for me to go.
How much do you want?
You know, this is one of the reasons why I like you, Trisha. Because you know how to do business.
I'll pay you whatever, just go! Now!
Look into my eyes and tell me, how much do you have to offer?
Monster! I hate you! I hate you! I hate you! Leave my house! Leave my house! Go! Leave my house! Leave my house!
Nancy. It's me.
What is it?
It's your friend. Yeah, she won't pick my calls. She won't return my messages. She won't even see me.
And what do you want to do?
I was just thinking, maybe we can go over to her house. I'll go with you though. She won't know I'm there. So you just knock or she opens the door. I just show up and then
Has a woman ever said no to you before?
Yeah, a couple of times, but they usually say it to my face and not hide behind and not pick my calls. Or
Maybe this is Trisha's way of telling you no. Why can't you just accept it?
when was the last time you spoke to her?
This guy, now what for you? Do I have to talk to her every time? They bond us together.
Please, Nancy, just help me try it.
Fine! I'll call her.
Thank you. What's the problem? Do you think something might have happened to her?
Mark, you have sold my car. You have the money you wanted. You are still here. When are you leaving?
And you must be joking to think your car is enough compensation for giving another man my child. You would have to compensate me properly. Are you expecting anyone?
What are you doing? Mark, who is there? Nancy?
If you say any rubbish, you would see what I would do to you. Now open the door.
Trisha, open!
Hi, can you just talk to me? You don't pick my calls, you don't do... What's going on?
Trisha, are you okay? At least let's just come inside and talk this over, okay?
Just leave, okay? Please, just go.
Trisha, Trisha, are you okay? Who is there with you? Okay, Trisha, I'll tell you to go. Just me and you, let's talk.
Trisha!
Trisha!
Hi, what's up guys? I'm here to tell you that my book on how to be successful and attract any kind of woman you want will be running online for 6 weeks. Do well to subscribe and hey champions, this is Mark here once again, your mentor, and I'm here. Who's that now? I'm coming. Yes, I'm here. What are you looking for?
Officer, this is the bastard that took my sister. I'm sorry. You did mad, Abby. This is the bastard who took my sister.
Now, what kind of talk is that?
Are you Mr. Mark?
Officer, I'm Mr. Mark, but didn't I give her money?
Wait. Be like say you did mad, Abby. Or go and kill your papa, Abby.
Guy, I paid her, right? I gave her 300,000 naira that I sold the car for. So what are you asking me for? That was for the pregnancy, man.
Right now, as we speak, my sister Bisola is nowhere to be found. And the money you promised to give her, we saw nothing. And you expect me to be calm?
But guy, I be man too now. Me, I get my own needs too. I be make I carry the whole 300k give you. Me, I go keep some too. I give you 300, I go keep some now.
And you expect me to believe that you sold the car for 300k? Huh? I be like mumu to you, right? I look stupid. Anyway, I'm here to get the other part of the money that you did not give to her.
Guy, I don't have any money as we speak like this. Money no deal, guy. Officer.
You dey try me, Abi?
Officer. Officer, we can settle this between us.
Officer, this bastard kidnapped my sister because she got pregnant for him and she insists on keeping the baby. Arrest him.
Mr. Mark, I will advise you cooperate with us because whatever you see or do here will be used against you in the court of law. Officer, take it.
Look, I assure you, you would regret this. Look.
I can't move! You expect me to be afraid, right?
Take him out.
Move him!
Move!
Mark?
Officer, you're wrong.
What?
Officer.
Oh.
How are you? How are you feeling?
A lot better.
Okay.
Where's Mark?
Mark is not here.
I know. I mean, what happened to him?
Oh, I found out about him, his associates, and this particular lady, Bisola. Yeah.
Bisola?
Yeah.
I knew it. I told you she was his girlfriend.
It turns out Bisola is pregnant with his child and they needed to find a way to keep her quiet because Bisola is actually the sister to his friend, the one that came to arrest him.
Wait, what exactly happened?
Oh, well, I planned it with Bisola to disappear for a bit to, cause a little bit of tension. And but before that, I already told the brother that Mark had gotten her pregnant. So if she at any point went missing, he might know something about it.
So he's not coming back?
Oh, well, between the problem I've caused for him and the people he has duped and they're after him because of this online class thing he's been doing, I don't think he would have any time to bother you soon.
Okay. Uche, the reason I ran off the other day was because I'm carrying Mark's child.
Trisha, you are not pregnant.
What do you mean? Did I lose it? Did I?
It was a false positive result, Trisha. Didn't you hear everything the doctor said when we were at the hospital?
Hospital? When did we go to the hospital?
Don't you remember? You fainted the day the police came to pick Mark up and we all rushed you to the hospital thinking it was the baby. We don't know say that malnutrition won't kill you.
You knew about that?
Of course, I told him. The Baba love you. When I told him, he was acting all action. Saying, Trisha should not have assumed what I would or would not do.
Thank you.
It's nothing. I love you.
Do you guys remember how you hated each other? Eh? One and one take I see each other face. Okay, now it's I love you.
Can you just shh?
Shh.
Can you sit down?
Okay.
Move.
I will.
I love you too.
Thank you.